Malalau malia ho eiki melele e tonga hono kotoa, fia ki talitalele ki mautolu, ki o mo uni o ngongo, me le tio ka o mafuka televiso ni tonga ki he hawani. Makai ko ia ki he ngahi ulu ia ngongo, whawhakawa i he kapineti ai ongo whakamau fo o ki he whakamau angatangi. Nei ko fo o e he wakai matangi a tonga, ai mumoko taha kua o ki ai a tonga ni ko tikilisa o siasi e walu tesmale ono. Pea amanaki ke whailonga i Tongani a hana whotua e office of Fitu ki ona whapaanga i ngahi mateiteo ki he whatamak whainatula pe PRIF. E toi ia e pe me ngahi taranoa ke he anaiange whakatahamu e wakai ke whamumitaha me he malai o e sipoti kai o maafo ke whakamatala ea. Ka koe wakai lewa aini ke whaikiki ko ausa norita tuiwai. Nā e whawhakawai e he pale mia o Tonga no pele whawhanua ai ongo whakamau fo o ke whakamau angatangi o Tongani. Ko e whamooni ko eni ke whawhakawa nei kau ke pale mia o Tonga no pele whawhanua, pele nisi kalau ni tupoutoa olu kālala pea moi hau eiki me mipa o e kapineti. Ko e whawhakawa i whaofisiale eni o Lord Colin Boyd pea mo Sir Patrick Elias ke na hoko ke he lakangani, ke hoko atu aki a e na whakahako whatongia i he whakamau angatangi i he tou hopotangi ko ia o ku kamata ko ia i he wikeni. I he ene pehene kamata i pe i he ahonia ngai hopotangi. Ka koi hopotangi e kau whafofonga kakai mo kau minista e to kamata pe a pongi pongi. E kamata ke hopotangi i he vāe minista pa anga mālolo, ka koi whafofonga kakai o ni wa taha fitu lata i whainga tātang mana, pea mo aisake hoa tatau whinau. I hili eni ai ulungia ai minista pa anga mālolo ki hana whailoia hono kaunga kantiteiti ko aisa ke whinau i he maumau i a lao o whili whalealea. Koe ahotoa pule lulu e wikeni ai pe, e whakahoko ai ai hopotangi i he vāe minista tanak panga hou mai mo tute, ka koe whakafofonga kakai o Tongatapu hiwa 17 tau mo ua, pea mohono kau ngā kantiteiti ko toketā te vita tōkunga. Ko hili eni ai ikona tau mo ua i he hopo, pea whakahua to ai pe ai tangi a toketā tōkunga. I he ahotoa pule lulu ai pe wikeni, e whakahoko ai hopotangi i he vā o minista taki mamata, minista ke ngahi ngawila lahi pule anga se misisika, pea moe whakafofonga mālolo toke tā uhila moe langfasi. Ko hili ene ulungia asika i he hopo na whakahoko, pea whakahua to ai pe a ene tangi ke whakamau angatangi. Ko e awhala i te wikeni e whakahoko ai hopotangi ai minista mālolo e tuate lavu whikau aki mo ene ulungia i e hopo pea mo i tokon palemia toke tā Williami Latu. E tok tātou ko ake pe whala i te ai pe i he wikeni ai hopotangi ai minista whanua savea kolofkaina tula mo e palani kolo toke tāta nira fus mālohi pea mo e minista mālolo te vitau lawe māu i he hili eni ai olungia atoke tāwhus mālohi ki a lawe māo. Kai ke koe kotoa ngai hopotangi ko eni e mui i pe e heongo ngoni pe e tok tuku ato e whakaiki ki a moiangi. Ko a whatule ko ti whao e he wawakai matangi a Tonga ai momoko taha ki a okay a Tongani ko e tikilise o siasi e walu tesmale ono. Ko le ko ti eni i he waifunua e wa i he taimi hawhi ai fitu pongpongi a nea whi. I he whamatala kua toko mai me he wawakai matangi a Tonga, koe fuafua mau i eni tālu mi he le kōt whaumui tahana le kōtia i he aho walo o Septema taha hiwe hiwa wha, ai ane le kōti i fua amotu ko te kilise o siasi e walu tesmale fitu. O kumahino koe momoko tahani au ke a Tongani ne le kōti i he tau tāhiwe hiwa wha, ne le kōtia i he whaahita o El Nino, ai o kuna tulata tau pe mo le kōti wha e tau ni. O ku le kōtia i he keiwhi awa Tongani mo e whaahita o El Nino, pe koe o kulahi ai e taimi la ala a. I he ene pehe koe hoko ene whaahita o El Nino o lotonga hoko ia i he potu tahe Pasifiki, ai aku ngā onu whakatonga haha ke havili ke whau a ngahi ea o kutoe momoko ange i he tawhak whakatonga o Tongani. I he ngahi ngā onu ko eni, o kune o mai e ia ai ea o kutoe momoko ange i he taimi po uli, tau te whito ki he taimi ko eni pe koe whaahita o la ala a. Ka o kutoe hoko ia ke whakatupunga ai ea ke toe momoko i he taimi pongi. Koe hui koe hoko mai le ko tia toi momoko ange ai ea, o kutuku mai whale i maolunga me he wakai matangi a Tonga ke he kakai o whanua, tau te whito ke he kautou leke leka me longa i whanau. Ke nau toi tokanga i lele yang e nau mo ui lele, koe hui koe whilili waki o ea i he lolo Tongani. O ke me whale i ke kau ngowe i tōkanga, ke whakatokanga i ange e iai e wesea ai fua o i ngowe i hinga une whilili waki ko enio ea e ki he toi momoko a nge. Kai ke lolotonga Moimoi i e he wakai matangi a tonga e tu unga o ea i he lolotongani, pe ok iai e whafuafua e malawa ke te le kōti, ha te klise o siasi fo o, pe ko ha taimi momoko e toi momoko ange ai ea, a muiange i he le kōti ko eni ko le kōti e he wakai matangi a tonga. Ko e talo me he taua noa ua wha ai tāle kautake ngai whanau Pasifiki ke whakatu i tongani ai o whisi whawhitu ki hono whapaanga ngai mateu teu ke ngai whatamak whainatula i ngai whanau Pasifiki. Ko whakahae pale mea tonga no pele whawhanua e toi pēr lau mahina sii, pia kakato e ngāwe ke ofisi ko ia i tongani kai kamata ai ngāwe. Whai ki tala nau ke ki hawani pia mo pia o lie.
Ia whakaike ke makehe a le tio tonga, pe mo i pale mea o tonga, no pele whawhanua na ane mea ai o pehe, ko hiri eni ai kuna tonga i he whiau hikia ngai whanua e whame Pasifiki, pe ko whea e whanua e whotua e ofisi whawhitu ko e ni. Ko hiri whakeni hono tāni e he forum, pe ko e whataha e kautaki ngai whanua Pasifiki he wanoa ua wha, pe me ngāwe whataimi pe, ki he sino ngāwe ni i whisi, o whatatari ai ke kakato a e whotua e ofisi i tongani, ka e whoki pe a kamata ai whawhatongia me tongani. Ko sino ngāwe whawhitu koe ni, kono taumua e whotu pe tānaki ki ai e paanga tokoni e Pasifiki, ai e whataumua ke tokonia mo whakaivia ngai whanua kue sia me whatamaki whaina tula. Ko sino ngāwe pure koe ni, tene pure i e ngahi mea whapaanga ngai whanua e Pasifiki, o whekau akia mo ue sia, mo mateu teu ke whatamaki whaina tula. Ne pe whoke no pere whawhanua, e kai ke toe langa fo ha ofisi pe ma PRIF ka o ko fotu pe ni ofisi ai medek i loto Nuku'alofa.
Kape whoke uhinga na o mai ki tongani na tau piti. Pea nai tari tau piti ke hoka tonga koe peisi ki he PRF. Ai whi maui ke fotu office i tongani pa whai ngau ke fotu office ko ia. I he wheituko ki ai koe mei teki. Kuro tonga whakakato ngā wiki ai, ka koe mea lahi ki ono taitari ki nā tōru, kono whawhainga maria i ha wheituko ku tā mo wheunga ke base me ai PRF ai tongani. Ai koe ngahi area ko iau mau ngā wiki whakakato pe taon. Mau te peha ngahi mahina si i pepa toki kakato ngahi area ko iau. Ai tō whātaimi e ai ngā we i whisi e taimini. Ka kua stari whokia e kau taki koe Pasifiki ke whotu i tongan. Pena e kau e ngahi mea kona report e whātako joika. Ai ngahi ngā we kou whimau ke whakakato kai lava ofisi o whotu pa mo ngā we mi tongan.
Ko ek pare mia ia o tonga, ek no pere whawhanua.
Pea ko i kuna ki Haamoa, pangai haapai mo hatei hoi tū ki mua e tō ulikuluti polisi whika ni mawha e he polisi ako ko Andrew Misi. Ko tū ki mua koe ni a Misi a ke pese te walu fitu te smalehiwa. Pea ori e pe mo whai ki.
Ko hireni ono whua ki atu ek pare mia ka koe Minister Polisi ono por whawhanua ngahi pare ki e tū ki mua o e tō ulikuluti fo oni whailonga ia e kakato mahina e ono e nau teu ki nau tolu, whakaloki ako, o whakawhisikare ki nau hoko koe polisi ako. Koe tō rikuluti koe nine e whahingoa ia, koe rikuluti o Losarine, Laukinikini, Sankielu ahio, koe taha whokia ka o uruaki polisi whewhine, ai potungawe polisi a Tonga. Koe tō ki mua i he rikuluti koe ni, ko Andrew Misi, i he tō rikuluti polisini, ne whaaki kiai e pare whalangilangi, makehe ko iau iloa koe Patron of Honour, whaaki anga maheni ki he kapteni o tō rikuluti polisi ko toa pē. Ne whikau atu kiai, matapore pe mi whataurua, niwa whoo, ha whewa, ha pai, ko sione whatai lupe uvea, a ki e peseti e walwha pointaha, pea whikatoro atu rewa ki ai Sofrisi Tonga, me whahewa Tongatapu mo peseti e walu tolu tesimare walu. Ko e tokotolu tō ki mua koe ni, ko e whatahai a ki nau tolu, i a piako polisi, i lo ki ako, pe mga here so ni ako polisi whawhisikare, Ka hi ako ngahi re soni ki tu a be me lo ki ako. I ako wha polisi wha fisikare ne tūki mua e sio ne whatai e lupe uvea a ke peseti e hivanima. Hoko ake kia e sami uela tua mi api me pētani e ua mo asin Tongatapu, pe whigatoro i lewa kia e sinipata lai seni me ina kolo mo kala au. Ne fua ke be me ngahi pare makeho kau kia e ofisa polisi ako ako urunganga le lei taha, mo tāsi pinga le lei he to urikuluti koe ni, fua kia ke sami uela tua mi api o pētani e ua mo asini Tongatapu. Koe ofisa polisi whewhine ako ako le lei tahane ma uia e selai ma tangina mai leo pētani moha te iho. Pea koe ako whalagalaka taha ne whakia kia ngālu whakaosi o ta whahi ni o topu tapu mō tua neki vare vavau. Kai kehi koe kakato ni ako polisi mahina e ono e whanauni, pea me he api ako polisi kai hoko atu hono whakakato e nau ngahi ngāu e kitua i he tau e ua, pea toki mau miai hona whakailonga ako tipiloma i he ngāu e whaofisa polisi.
Uni o ngongo whaloto whanua pia me leti o Tonga ula ki me o waki hawani pia whuka televisa ni Tonga. Ka koe wakalewa NK whamimitaha mihi malai o sipoti whakahoko atu ia e pia oli e.
Malome toki whilonga ki koe wakaeni ki e mala e o e sipoti. Au teu ke whaawa he tōna ki e fōfua whi auhi, e wā ia e ngō kalapu ilo e Maris api fo'ou, pe ki lia hauna Old Boys o whakahingoa be e whi auhini ki he o ngō kalapuni. Kono whapapau ien me he komiti o ku o kinau tolu e whi auhi, i he konga e kātoanga, o ka wakatutoko e ako maalunga o lia hauna, pe koe lia hauna sainiha alumni, a ia au kurotonga whakahoko i Tongatapu ni. Whanatau ki o ngongo tuku mai ki le te o Tonga e vei pā e ngoti mini ki he pāre paanga e tolu wafe, kai wafe e urungia. O manaki ke whanonga e whiauhini he tau e nima, e whafuafua ke whanonga e whiauhi, pea e tawhimara e lia hona Old Boys ono whakaivia ai vaingani i he tauni kai viloha ke Maris o whakapaanga e tau fo'ou. I hene pehe kui kai ke sola e kalapo Maris ki e whiahakapulu i unioni, koe hau mālolo ia i pualawenga maari e, pea koe whikawha ia e whiau he Tongatapu he tauni. Kai hau mai e lia hona Old Boys i he ipuko ia a Championships. Kai ke, o wawa e matapā ki he taha pe me ha kalapu pe, pe ngahi kalapu ke he ke huluni mai i he timi koe ni, pe koe ngō kalapuni e tewe wa inga e tōna ki he mala e koe halawhati ma me he lalo ka asia api fo'ou.
Pamoi ka kāte pehe mo uni o ngongo he lea whakatonga ki he hawani mo i e whakaamu. Nei au tonu atu ke loto whale ai Tonga hono kotoa. Whamalo te tau kei whi mai ko au sanoli tatu i vai ka momea. Good evening and welcome to English News Package with radio and television Tonga News for tonight. Making headlines, 2 new Court of Appeal judges sworn in before cabinet. Tonga Meteorological Service record new lowest temperature of 8.6 degrees Celsius, and Tonga set to officially host the Pacific Regional Infrastructure Facility for Disaster Preparedness Financing, or PRIF. We'll have these and more stories later on in the bulletin together with sports to wrap up with the latest weather update. Now for the stories in details. Tonga Prime Minister Lord Fafanua has officially sworn in 2 new judges of the Court of Appeal. The swearing-in ceremony was witnessed by the Prime Minister Lord Fafanua, Crown Prince Tupotoa Olukalala and members of the Cabinet. Let's take a look. The Court of Appeal hearing began today. However, this election appeal cases involving People's Representative and Cabinet Ministers will begin tomorrow morning. The first appeal to be heard will be between former Minister of Finance and newer 17 People Representative Lataifenga Mana, along with Isaac Finau. This follows the former minister defeat in an election petition concerning alleged breaches of the Electoral Act by his running mate. On Thursday this week, the Court of Appeal will hear the case involving the Minister for Revenue and Custom and Tongatapu 9 People's Representative 17 Domo'ua, together with opposition candidate Dr. Tevitato Kunga. This follows Domo'ua victory in the election petition, after which Dr. Tokunga filed an appeal. Also on Thursday this week, the Court of Appeal will hear the appeal involving the Minister of Tourism and Minister for Infrastructure, Semisi Sika, and former People's Representative Dr. Uhilamulang Fasti. This comes after Sika lost the case and subsequently logged an appeal with the court. On Friday this week also, the Court of Appeal will hear the appeal brought by former Minister Eduardo Lavulavu following his loss in the original case together with Deputy Prime Minister Dr. Latu. Also on Friday, the Court of Appeal will hear the appeal involving the Minister of Lands, Survey and Natural Resources Dr. Danila Fusmalohi and former Minister David Lavimau following Dr. Fusmalohi lost in the earlier case against Lave Mahau. However, our news team will continue to follow all these appeal hearings and provide further updates and details as they become available. The Tonga Meteorological Service has recorded a new national record for the lowest temperature ever observed in Tonga, with the temperature dropping to 8.6 degrees Celsius. The record was set in Ewa at 6:30 a.m. yesterday morning. Let's take a look. According to the Tonga Meteorological Service, this is the first time the previous record has been broken since 8th of September 1994, when a temperature of 8.7 degrees Celsius was recorded at Fuamotu. The Tonga Meteorological Service stated that the previous record in 1994 also occurred during an El Nino year similar to this year's conditions. El Nino is typically associated with drier weather and longer periods of sunshine. The unusual cold conditions currently affecting Tonga are linked to the ongoing El Nino event across the Pacific Ocean. During El Nino, stronger southeast trade winds bring cooler air from the south and surrounding mid-latitude regions into Tonga. This weather pattern results in much cooler overnight conditions, particularly during the dry season. Clear skies and light winds at night also allow heat to escape more easily from the ground, leading to even cooler temperatures in the early morning. Following this near record low temperature, the Tonga Meteorological Service is urging the public, especially elderly people and young children, to take extra care of their health during this period of unusual cold weather. The service has also advised farmers to closely monitor their crops as the colder temperature and changing weather conditions may affect agricultural production. Meanwhile, the Tonga Meteorological Service continues to closely monitor the current weather conditions and says there is a possibility that temperatures could drop even further, potentially setting another new record in the coming days. Tonga is expected to soon officially establish the Pacific Regional Infrastructure Facility following the decision made by the Pacific leaders in 2024 to locate the regional office in the Kingdom of Tonga. Pierre Ollier with more on that story.
Speaking to Radio Tonga Monthly interview with the Prime Minister, Lord Fafanua said that only a few months remain before all arrangements for the office are completed and it begins operations in Tonga. The Prime Minister said Tonga's selection came after successfully competing against 4 other Pacific countries that had also sought to host the new regional office. Following its endorsement by Pacific leaders at the Pacific Islands Forum Leaders meeting in 2024, the organization has been operating on an interim basis from Fiji, while preparations for the permanent office in Tonga are being finalized. Once established, the office will carry out its regional responsibilities from Tonga. The purpose of the regional organization is to mobilize and manage funding dedicated to helping Pacific Island countries strengthen their preparedness for and resilience to natural disasters. The agency will oversee regional financing related to disaster preparedness, response, and recovery for Pacific countries, ensuring that financial assistance is effectively coordinated and directed to countries affected by natural disasters. Prime Minister Lord Fafanua also confirmed that no new building will be constructed for the PRIF office. Instead, it will be housed within the existing offices of the Ministry of Medec in central Nuku'alofa.
And Andrew Missy from Samoa, Pangaya Apai in Hateho graduated as the top performing member of Police Recruit Squad 54th, achieving the highest overall score of 87.9%. Pia Olie with more on that story.
The awards were presented by the Prime Minister, who is also the Minister for Police, Lord Fafanua, during the graduation ceremony marking the completion of 6 months of classroom and physical training for the new police recruits to become trainee police officers. The recruit squad was named in honor of Losaline Lokinikini Salakielu Ahio, one of the first female police officers in the Tonga Police Force. As the top graduate, Andrew Missy was also awarded the prestigious Pattern of Honor, an award traditionally presented to the captain of each police recruit squad. Second place went to Sione Fatai Lupe Uvea from Fataulua, Niwa Fo'o and Hawhewa Hapai with a score of 84.1%. Third place was awarded to Sofilisi Tonga from Whahewa Tongatapu with 83.8%. The overall rankings was based on a combination of classroom academic studies and physical police training. However, in the outdoor practical and physical training, Sione Fatai Lupe Uvea ranked first with an outstanding of 95%. Samuela Duaimi Api from Betani Ewa and Haasini Tongatapu placed second, while Sinipatalai Seni from Nakolo and Kala'au came third. Several police awards were also presented. The award for Best All-Round Trainee Police Officer and Best Role Model went to Samuela Duaimi Api. The award for Best Female Trainee Police Officer was presented to Selaima Tankina Maile from Betani and Hateho, while the award for Most Improved Trainee went to Ngalu Whakaosi from Tafahi Niotaputapu and Tuanekivale Wava'o. The recruits have now completed the 6-month police training program. They will continue with 2 years of field training and practical police studies before qualifying to receive their diploma in police studies.
That is your local scene for tonight. Sport is up next after this break with Pia Olie.
A new one-day rugby tournament will kick off in Tongatapu this Saturday, with Maris Api for All and the Ahona Old Boys meeting for the first time in the competition's history. Tournament organizers confirmed to Radio Tonga Sports News this morning that the match is being staged as part of a Liahona Sainiha alumni gathering. The winning team will receive a top prize of 3,000 pa'anga, while runners-up will take home 2,000 pa'anga. Organizers say the tournament is planned to continue over the next 5 years, with the competition format to be reviewed after this year's event. The Liahona Old Boys Committee will meet the tournament expenses this year, while Maris will host and fund next year's event. Maris are former Lavenga Maria Cup champions, while Liahona Old Boys are the current holders of the 2026 Championship Cup. Both teams have also been given permission to include invited players for Saturday's one-day tournament at the Abifo'o rugby field.
Before we part, here's one final look at tonight's top stories. 2 new Court of Appeal judges sworn in before cabinets. Tonga Meteorological Service record new lowest temperature of 8.6 degrees Celsius, and Tonga set to officially host the Pacific Regional Infrastructure Facility for Disaster Preparedness Financing, or PRIF. That's it for tonight. Thank you for your company. Good evening.